Alright people, I told you I had to work on my sister's car. So I did my oil change earlier. I'm in my sister's house. So I could work on her car. Every time she put gas in her car starts shaking like it's about to cut off or whatever. So she took it to Chevy and they said she need a purge valve. They was gonna charge her $350 for this. This part probably cost about 20 something dollars, maybe 30 the most. I don't know, but and what I'm gonna be doing is taking this off, removing this, so I can get to the back of here, underneath here, to change this out. Wait till you see how simple this is to change for $300 and something. And mind you, they have all the tools and they know exactly how to attack this project. So why they charging somebody $350, I don't know, but like I said, I got it. Alright, so you're gonna need these two screws to take off this, the screws right here. Then you need a flathead to remove this right here. Then you're gonna just need to take this off, and when you take off the top, put this back on. Alright, let me show you how one thing. Just took off the top. Now the old thing, you just put that back on so it won't get no dust and all this stuff in it. Now you can start removing these. I think it's about 7 screws or however many screws it is. Just start taking this off the filter. Alright, so I got the filter cover off. Now I'm about to take off this part that's connected to the filter, the throttle body, whatever you call it. Get that going. So loosen that up. Take that off. That to the side. Alright, so the piece I'm gonna be changing is right in here. Now, the video I watched, they didn't unplug the battery. But to me, I feel like anything you messing with when it comes to the computer, undo the batteries. That's just me. I mean, do whatever y'all like to do. Me, I'm gonna undo the battery. Alright, I'll be back. So it's a 10mm for the battery. Just take off the negative side, put it to the side. Boom. The same bolt you use to undo the negative charge on the battery is the same size you do to undo this. Me had to get an extension because it's a little deep in there. Not too bad, but you're gonna need an extension. I was trying to unplug it, but I figured I'll undo it first and then unplug it. So let's see how this goes. Alright, so I unscrewed it first, and the first plug, undo it. So I undid it. You gotta kind of like wiggle it out first. And then the first plug is one of them ones that you kind of like press down on. I don't know. The sunlight is blinding me, so I can't see. But you press on that to get it off. So it's a lever. And then you're able to kind of move this out the way. And then with this one, let me see if I can see. This one, you got to press to relieve it. So let's see how I open it up. I mean, to take it off, probably got to wiggle it off as well. So that's how it was in there. The part you got to wiggle off is coming off this top part right here. Alright. The new one to the old one. Boom. Same thing, just a different screw. With your new screw, but you know what I mean. Same thing. Different color gasket, but same thing on it. Same thing. Do that. Alright. Let's continue the job. Alright, got everything. everything plugged back up. I can't see what y'all can see. Got everything plugged back up. Got it screwed back in. It's secured. Now time to put the box back on. Screw this. Sorry, wrong thing. Turn this back on. Back to the throttle body. Got the old screw here. You don't need this. It's the old screw, so it's up to you. You can keep it. The new one came with a new screw. New screws back on. So I just put the box back on, the rear box, and put this top back on. Screw. That one use 2 minutes. For this one. Screw that back on. I'm gonna invest in me some power tools, battery operated, so quicker. Put the battery back on. Loosen it up a little bit. Alright, hold on. Here, clean her battery one day. I don't like the way it's sitting on there. Ooh, it's hard as hell in here. Alright. Start it up. That's it, folks.